रोज़ इंग्लिश का पॉडकास्ट सुनता हूँ, रोज़ इंग्लिश गाने सुनता हूँ, रोज़ स्टिल आई कांट एबल टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश एंड दैट्स व्हाट यू थिंक एंड यही तुम्हारी भी प्रॉब्लम है, ये मेरी भी प्रॉब्लम है. सो व्हाट इज़ गोइंग ऑन हियर आई विल टेल यू. सो stay with me and I'll tell you what is happening. So basically what is happening, we're listening to English podcasts, we're listening to music, we are making an environment in English but we still not able to speak. Why? We are reading, we are writing but we are not speaking. So we have to speak if we want to get fluent in English and I want to get fluent in English. So we have to speak and that's how we will get fluent in. And don't think about the grammar, speak just speak just record yourself, watch yourself and see, listen to yourself and see where you are making mistake and try to improve it, and that's how you will get fluent in English. And I am trying to do this same. I am recording myself, I am watching myself every day, and this is the 8th day. It's been a week. I am recording myself, I am watching myself, I am getting improved it, and that's how am I doing, and that's how you can also do the same thing. Get fluent in English. If you really want to get fluent in English, so try this and you will get fluent in English. And it will be good for you if you learn English and if you get fluent in English, if you build the confidence to speak in English. And see, the confidence doesn't build like this. And if you keep doing affirmation, I speak English, I speak confident English. If you keep doing affirmation, you have to speak. Okay, so speak, try to speak with the people. And I have been recording myself, I have been seeing myself, so what I have observed about myself, I build the confidence to speak in front of the camera, but not with the people. So I am going to try to build the confidence to speak with the people or in front of the people. So record yourself, see yourself, watch yourself, observe yourself, and get fluent in English. Okay, and this was the 8th day of 90 days English fluent challenge, and that's all for today. If you like the video, if you get any valuable thing, if you learn something, so do subscribe, do like and share this video, and see you in the next video, and take care. Bye bye.